All right. Good afternoon, Steve. I'm calling this meeting of the Maple Broadband Executive Committee to order. It's 3:50 p.m. on the 25th of July, 2024. So we don't have quorum. We're not taking any decisions today. We are just doing a bid opening. So first thing up is public comments, and we have no members of the public. So unless you'd like to make a public comment, I'm going to move on to the Bead Design Services RFP opening. So we received 3 responses to this RFP. In order, the first one was from Vantage Point Solutions, which provided pricing for Part A. All of the parts of Part A were time and materials, and the ranges for the time and materials were between $75 an hour to $75 to $90 an hour for most of the work, with some of the engineering work coming in at $140 to $160 an hour. The Part B, the post-award pricing, was there was a per foot fee for 35 cents per foot for rural miles, 95 cents per foot for non-rural miles, with a total estimate of 60 miles. And then plans and specifications preparation for construction units for construction contract is a fixed fee of $7,100. So that's the Vantage Point. Second response was from JSI. They provided us with a fixed fee for both Part A and Part B. So the fixed fee for Part A is $400 a mile, and for Part B is $800 a mile, using an estimate of 180 route miles. The third bid received was from Fibersmith, and they provided a fee of, so project design is 4 cents. This is for Part A pre-award work, 4 cents per foot, and then $2.50 per address. And for pre-award on-site fielding, 7 cents per foot. And then post-award fielding is also 7 cents per foot. Detailed design is project design is, that looks like 10 cents per foot. No, 0.1 low level design per foot is the unit rate. And then I think it is 10 cents. And then 7.5 per address, and 0.03 for construction documents, splicing diagrams, etc. And then there's also hourly rates for additional services. So that is it. We need to do the bid leveling, obviously, to make sure that we sort out what that all means and put it on a level playing field and tally up. We asked as part of the bid as well for them to come up with estimates of the total amount. But there was actually significant variability in terms of assumptions about how many miles was required. So we will sort that out as a next step. The next thing on the agenda is other business. So under other business, we have actually a second bid opening, which is for civils work related to the, oops, that is the wrong file for me to open, related to the Leicester Hub. First one is from Champlain Construction for a lump sum of $28,712. The second one is from Syracuse Utilities for a lump sum of $28,979.16. So we need to do the bid leveling on that as well, and both of these will be taken to executive committee next week for recommendation and vote. Anything you'd like to add on that, Steve?
No, ma'am. I move we adjourn.
All right, great. Thank you very much. The meeting is adjourned.
So if you could turn the recording off, please.